Okay, good morning students. Now in this seventh problem, okay, already last class solved the problem, sixth problem. In this problem, seventh problem, this is consistent. Find the consistent and inconsistent. If it is consistent, find the complete solution. Find the complete solution. Okay. First, find the consistent or inconsistent. Now, if it is consistent, find the complete solution. Okay, so ఇది మీ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ కన్సిస్టెంటా ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంటా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి అది కనుక కన్సిస్టెంట్ అయితే ఇది కనుక కన్సిస్టెంట్ అయితే దానికి ఏం చేయాలమ్మా కన్సిస్టెంట్ అయితే వాటి యొక్క వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ okay, exercise 7, exercise 3G, exercise 3G, exercise 3G. Okay, this is consistent or inconsistent. Now if it is consistent, find the complete solution. If it is consistent, find the complete solution. Okay, now if it is consistent, find the complete solution. Okay students, now the coefficient matrix is coefficient of x2, y3, z1 and coefficient of x second row 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 2. This is the coefficient matrix. Now next to variable matrix, capital X is equal to variable matrix that is equal to x, y, z and this is the constant matrix. This value 9, 6, 8, that is constant matrix. That is constant matrix is equal to 9, 6, 8. Okay, this is the given data right into coefficient matrix and variable matrix and constant matrix. Okay students, now the augmented matrix is the augmented matrix is AD. This is A, this is capital X and this is D. Now the augmented matrix AD is equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 2. This is matrix A and D means this one 9, 6, 8. This is D. So this is augmented matrix of AD. Now next one, this is augmented matrix of AD. Now this matrix is augmented matrix. Now in this place, in this 3 elements 0. ఇక్కడ ఈ 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ నేను రో ఆపరేషన్స్ ద్వారా 0 చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ బేస్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ అయితే బేస్ చేసుకుంటున్నామో ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏమై ఉండాలన్నా 1 ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ 1 కోసం నేను ఈ రోను R1 ని R2 ని చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. R1 ని R2 ని చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. R1 అండ్ R2, దట్ ఈస్ R1 ఇంటర్చేంజింగ్ విత్ R2, R1 ఇంటర్చేంజింగ్ విత్ R2. ఎందుకు? బికాజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 1 2 3 అనేది మనకి ఫస్ట్ 1 ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ అనేది ఏముండాలి మనకి 1 ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ లెటర్లో 1 ఉండేట్టుగా తీసుకుంటున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 2 3 6. This is R1 replacing R2 replacing R1. Now next to 2 3 1 9 and 3 1 2 8. This is R1 interchange of R2. Now this 2 comes to 0 and this 3 comes to 0. దీన్ని దేని బేస్ చేసుకొని బేస్డ్ ఆన్ 1 ఈ 1 ని బేస్ చేసుకొని 2 ని 3 ని 0 చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ R2 changes R2 minus 2R. R2 changes R2 minus 2R1. Next this is R3. R3 changes R3 minus 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేశాను. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. That is R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. That is now this is R2 2 3 1 9. This is R2 2 3 1 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Minus 0 minus 1 minus 5. This is minus 3. This is R2. Next R3. This is R3. 3 1 2 8. 2 2 to sorry. This is 3. 3 1 2 8. Okay. 3 1 2 8. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. Now this is minus. This is 3 get cancelled, that is 0. This is also minus 5. Now minus 7. 18 minus 18 plus 8, that is minus 10. Now next that is equal to now 1 2 3 6 2 3. This is R2. 0 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3. Now this is 0 minus 5 minus 10 minus 7 minus 10. Now in this place R2 have R minus and R3 have minus. So R3 changes R3 into minus to multiply minus common this one. Now R2 changes minus of R2. Minus అనేది ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. That is equal to 1 2 3 6 0 1 5 3 0 5. This is 7. This is 10. Now in this element comes to 0. ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది 0 కావాలంటే దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? R2 ని multiply with 5 and subtracted with R2. Now so R3 changes R3 minus 5 R2. R3 changes R3 minus 5 R2. This is R2. This is R3. 0 5 7 10 minus 5 R1. This is 0 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 25 5 3s are 15. This is minus. Now this is 0. This is also 0. Now 25 minus 25 plus 7. Minus 25 plus 7, that is minus 18. Now minus 15 plus 10, that is minus 5. That is minus 5. Now that is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 as it. Now R2 as this 0 1 5 3 R3. This is R3 0 and this is 0 minus 18 minus 5. Now in this have this is 3 0. So this is matrix A and this is matrix AD. This is matrix A and this is total matrix AD. So now the rank of A is equal to rank of AD. Okay student, now this matrix A matrix have 3 non-zero rows. So rank of A is equal to 3 and this total matrix AD, this total matrix AD have 3 non-zero rows. So this matrix have AD matrix, the rank of AD is also 3. Okay students, now the rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. Rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to 3 అయితే ఏంటమ్మా? That is consistent and unique solution. That is consistent and యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇది మనం ఫార్ములాస్ రాయించుకున్నామమ్మా. దట్ ఈస్ కన్సిస్టెంట్ అండ్ యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్. Consistent and unique solution. So the solutions are this one, last one. This is constant term, this is z term, that is minus 18, z is equal to minus 5, minus minus get cancel, z is equal to 5 by 18. Okay, that is 5 by 18. Next to equation number 2, that is this is x term 0, y term, y plus 5z is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Now this is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. Now z is equal to 5 by 18. Substituting in the equation of 1. Z is equal to 5 by 18. Substituting in equation number 1, that is y plus 5 into 5 by 18 is equal to 3. Now y plus 5 5s are 25 by 18 is equal to 3. That is y is equal to 3 plus 25 by 18 comes into right side, plus 25 by 18 comes into right side, that is minus 25 by 18. Minus 25 by 18, that is equal to 3 18s are 54. 54 minus 25 by 18, the y is equal to, that is 29 by 18. That is 29 by 18. Now the z value, the z is equal to, the z is equal to 5 by 18 already there. Now next to the x value. The x value is, okay student, this is erasing this one. This is cofactor matrix and variable matrix, constant matrix and augmented matrix. Okay student, this is the R1 changes, interchanges of R2. This is the solution student. Only these three elements count 0, the solution will be constant. Okay student, erase చేస్తున్నాను. Now erase చేస్తున్నాను. Next to the equation number 1 from 1, that is x plus, sorry, from 2, that is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. Now x is equal to, sorry, y is equal to 29 by 18 and z is equal to 5 by 18. Substituting into, that is x plus 2 into 29 by 18 plus 3 into 5 by 18 is equal to 6. Now that is x plus 29 2s are 58 by 18 plus 3 5s are 15 by 18 is equal to 6. 15 by 18 is equal to 6. Now that is equal to x plus 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 13. This is 1. Now 73 by 18 is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 35. Now 2y, this is 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. So that is x is equal to, now 18 6 are 6 minus 73 by 18. 18 6 are, x is equal to 18 6 are 18 5s are 108. So 18 5s are 90. 18 6 are 108 minus 73 by 18, that is x is equal to 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5, and 10 minus 7, 3, 35 by 18. So the solutions are x is equal to 35 by 18, this is y is equal to 29 by 18, y is equal to 29 by 18, and z is equal to 5 by 18. Okay students, this is the seventh one. Okay, now this is the consistent and unique solution. The values are x is equal to 35 by 18 and y is equal to 29 by 18 and z is equal to 5 by 18. Okay students, okay, this is seventh one. Erase చేస్తున్నానమ్మా, erase చేస్తున్న నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Now
నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు కదా
సార్ నెంబర్ తీసేసారు బ్లాక్ చేసేసారు ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం
దాన్ని ఎవరు ఏం చేస్తారు మన నెంబర్ మనం ఏం చేయలేము
next one, Cramer's rule.
నెంబర్ పోతారంటే ఇంకా అడ్మిషన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా అన్లిమిటెడ్ కోటింగ్ వస్తుంది మన రాలే దాన్ని ఎవరు ఏం చేస్తారు ఆ నెంబర్ ఏమైనా వస్తుంది అని కొడితే
Cramer's rule. Consider the system of equations. The system of equations. This is Cramer's rule. This is very important. Consider the system of equations. A1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. Now a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This is the three equations. Now in this Cramer's rule, this a1 and b1 c1 are the coefficients of x, y, z. In these three equations, the coefficient matrix is the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix A is equal to a1, b1, c1. Next to a2, b2, c2. a3, b3, c3. This is the coefficient matrix. Okay, and next one, the variable matrix capital X is equal to the variable matrix capital X is equal to x, y, z. This variable is x, y, z. Total x, y, z. Now this is d1, d2, d3. Have this number says constant matrix. That is constant matrix. The constant matrix is equal D is equal to that is d1, d2 and d3. Now the augmented matrix AD is equal to, okay, this is coefficient matrix and variable matrix and constant matrix. This is the three matrices. Now the delta of this matrix is, in this coefficient matrix, delta. Delta means the determinant of A. Determinant of A, that is delta. Delta A is equal to determinant of this matrix, that is A1, B1, C1. This is determinant. This is matrix. Now A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3 and C3. This is the determinant of this matrix. Now determinant of this matrix. Now delta into x. Okay student, this equation multiply with on both sides x. X to multiply chestuna, that is equal to x into a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Multiply this x in first column. C1 multiply with first column, that is with x, that is x, a1 x, a2 x, a3 x, b1, b2, and this is equation number 1, b3, c1, c2, this is c3, this is determinant of this matrix. Now in this matrix c1 changes this row of column operation, c1 plus
అబ్బాయి ఎందుకంటే
c2 into
అబ్బాయి మేము ఎంతమంది షెడ్యూల్
y plus c3 into z, c1 plus c1 plus c2y plus c3z, that is a1x plus this is b1 into y, this is b1 into y plus c3 into z plus c3 means this is c1, this is c1 into z. Okay student, this is element of c, this is column 2, this is elements of c1, c2, c3, this is column 1, column 2, column 1. Okay student, now b1 as it is, c1 as it is. Now a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 z, next b2 and c2, this is a3 x plus b3 y plus c3 z into this is b3 and c2. Only column 1 changing c1 plus c2 y, column 2 into y, this is column 2 into y plus c3 into z, this is column 3 into z, b1 c1 b2 c2 b3 c3. Okay students, from equation number 1, this a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to, in this place, equal to d1, this is total adding equal to d1, this sum, total sum is equal to d1, so I am substituting in this ax1 plus by1 cz1 is equal to d1. Okay students, now that is from 1 nundi d1 b1 c1 and this is d2 b2 c2 d3 b3 c3, this is delta, this is delta and this is delta 1, this is delta 1. Okay students, now similarly, now this is delta 1, now similarly becomes delta 2 same as it is delta 2, in this place y, next to term y, delta into y is equal to delta y into a1, in this time x multiply y multiply second row, so this is b1y b2y b3y, so next c2 changes, c2 plus c2x plus c3 plus c2 plus c3z. Okay student, ఇక్కడ d1 d2 d3 ఏ విధంగా రాసాము, సిమిలర్లీ అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్ లో y సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే b1y b2y b3y వస్తుంది. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ c1 ప్లస్ c2 చేంజెస్ c2 ప్లస్ c1x ప్లస్ c3z గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేది ఏమో అది a1 a2 and a3, this is d1 and d2 d3, ఇక్కడ సిమిలర్లీ అని రాసుకోండి, సిమిలర్లీ and c1 c2 c3. Okay student, this is delta 2. Now next to the delta 3 is equal to, this is delta 3 is equal to, in this place third column, this is first column d1, this is not d. Okay, this is d. Next to as it is delta 3 a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 b1 b2 b3. This is the value of delta 1 delta 2 delta 3. Now in this place delta into x, so x is equal to this is delta 1, so delta into x is equal to this is delta 1, delta into x is equal to delta 1. In this place, this is delta 1. So in this place, y into delta 2, and this is z into delta 3. This is delta 1. So delta 1 means this one. Then d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now x is equal to the delta 1 by delta. Okay, delta 1 by delta. Now in this equation. Now next to this equation, y into delta is equal to delta 2. Now next to y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Delta means the determinant of given cofactor matrix. Delta 1 means d1, d2, replacing with a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3. Now next this is z into delta 3. That is z into delta 3 is equal to z into delta is equal to delta 3. Now z into delta is equal to delta 3. Now next okay, next z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 by delta. This is the values of x, y, z. Okay students, ఇది మనకి క్రామర్స్ రూల్ యొక్క ప్రాసెస్ అన్న. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. కోఎఫిషియంట్ మీన్స్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x, y, z, and variable matrix, that is x is equal to x, y, z. Constant matrix, that is d1, d2, d3. Delta is equal to determinant of coefficient matrix. Now delta into x is equal to x into this is delta. The delta means coefficient matrix. Now multiply with first column. Now in this place, operation, column operation, c1 changes, c1 plus c2 into y, c2 into y, multiply with y, and c3 into z. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1z and b1b c1. That is no change in column 2 and column 3. Next a2x plus b2y plus c2z, a3x plus b3y plus c3z. This is b. Now this b, c and column 2, column 3 have no changes. Now from equation number 1, this is from 1. In this case, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Replacing with d1 and d2 and d3, this is delta 1. Similarly, this is delta 2 and this is delta 3. Now, delta into x is equal to delta 1. So, x is equal to delta 1 by delta. This is multiplied with x. So, comes into right side, that is dividing. Delta into y, that is delta 2 by delta. Into delta z is equal to delta 3 by delta. This is the x solution of x, y, z. Okay students, మనకి క్రామర్స్ రూల్ అని ఇస్తే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లో చేయాలి. ఓకేనమ్మా, ఇక్కడ మనం ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది డెల్టా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత డెల్టా 1, డెల్టా 2, డెల్టా 3 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి x is equal to delta 1 by delta, y is equal to delta 2 by delta, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేదే అది x, y, z వాల్యూస్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నౌ దీన్ని అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఈ క్రామర్స్ రూల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉందమ్మా, నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Next one, important, solve problem number 1. This is important for 7 marks. Solve the following simultaneous linear equations by using Cramer's rule. That is, the equations are 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18. Next 2x minus 5 plus 8z is equal to 13. Next 5x minus 2y plus 7z is equal to 7z is equal to 20. Okay students, the given three equations. Now the following simultaneous linear equations by using Cramer's rule. Okay, దీన్ని మనము సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఏ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి? క్రామర్స్ రూల్ ప్రకారం. ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకుముందు మనం క్రామర్స్ రూల్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాము. దట్ ఈస్ x is equal to briefly delta 1 by delta and y is equal to delta 2 by delta and z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Okay students, delta means the coefficient matrix of determinant and delta 1 means this replacing column, first column with 18, 13 and y, z and column 1, column 2 and column 2. Okay students, now the coefficient matrix is the coefficient matrix is A is equal to 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 8, 5, minus 2. This is 7z, not 72. This is 7z. Okay. Now the variable matrix is xyz. That is not writing into xyz. Now next D, the D means the constant matrix. The constant matrix D is equal to 18. This is 13. This is 20. 18, 30, 20. Now the delta is equal to the determinant of coefficient matrix. The determinant of coefficient matrix, that is 3 into eliminating this row and this column, minus 1, 8, minus 2, 7, minus 4 into 2, eliminating this row and this column, 2, 8, 5, 7, and this 5 plus 5 into this one, this row and this column, eliminating 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Now that is equal to 3 into 7 ones are cross multiplication, that is 7 ones are minus 7. 7 ones are minus 7. Now 8 twos are 16, that is plus 16 minus 8 minus 4 into 7 twos are 14. 8 fives are 40. Plus 5 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Next to 5 ones are minus into minus plus 5. That is equal to 3 into 9s. 3 into 9s. 70, 16 minus 7, that is 9, minus 4 into 14 minus 40, that is minus 26, plus 5 into 1. Okay, minus 4 plus 5, 1, that is 3 9s are 27, minus into minus plus 26 4s are 104, 104, plus 5 ones are 5. Total this sum is 27, 104 and 5, that is 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 6, 16, 136. Okay, the delta is equal to 136. Delta is equal to 136. Okay, this is the value of delta. Now next one, the delta 1, determinant of delta 1. Okay students, the delta means the coefficient of the cofactor matrix. Now the delta 1 means replacing first column with D matrix. Replacing first column with D matrix. That is, okay, మనం లాస్ట్ లో చూసాము అక్కడ D A1 A2 A కు బదులుగా డెల్టా 1 లో దేంతో రిప్లేస్ చేసానమ్మా D1 D2 D3 తోగా. అదే ఇక్కడ D1 D2 D3 అంటే ఇదే కదమ్మా D1 D2 D3. Now 18, 13, 20, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, next minus 2, next third column 5, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7. This is the delta 1, value of delta 1. Now the delta 1 is equal to determinant of this one. Delta 1 is equal to 18 into this one. Eliminating first row and first column, the remaining 2 by 2 matrix is 1, 8, minus 2, 7, minus 4 into eliminating this row and this column, 13, 8, 27. Now this is 5, 13, minus 1, 20, minus 20, minus 2. Now that is equal to 18 into 1 into minus 7, 8 to the 16, plus 16. Now minus 4 into 13 7s are 13 5s are 65, 65 plus 26, that is 91. Okay. Okay, student, 91 minus 28 are 2 8s are 16, 160 plus 5 into 13 2s are minus 26, minus into minus plus 21s are 20. That is equal to 18 into minus 7 plus 16, that is 9. Now minus 4 into 160 minus 91. 160 minus 91 means 69. Minus 69. Okay, minus 69 plus 5 into minus 6. 5 into minus 6, that is equal to 89s are 162. 89s are 162. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Now 7 4s are 28. 280 minus 4. 280 minus 4. 276. Okay, students? Okay, check it. 69 4s are 4 9s are 36. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. Okay, 276. Okay, right? Now minus into minus plus. This is minus 30. 5 6 are 30. Now in this place 2 plus 6 8, 7 plus 6 3 30, 2 plus 1 plus 1 438 minus 30, that is equal to 408. This value is delta 1. This is delta 1, 408. Now next one, delta 2 and delta 3. Find delta 2 and delta 3. That is delta 2 is equal to, now the coefficient matrix is 3, 2 and 5. Now replacing second column with 18, 13, 20. Now C3 column 3 as it is 5 7 8 7, 5 8 7. Okay, students. Now the delta 2 is equal to 3 into 13 8 27. This eliminating this first row and first column, the remaining 2 by 2 matrix is 13 8 7, 13 8 7 minus 18 into this row and this column, 2 8 5 7. Next one plus 5 into 2 13 5 20, 2 13 5 20, that is 3 into these 13 7s are 91 minus 8 2s are 60, 160 minus 18 into 2 5s are 7, 2 7s are 14 minus 5 8s are 40 plus 5 into 2 20s are 40 minus 13 5s are 13 5s are 12 5s are 60, 13 5s are 65. Now this is 65. Now that is equal to 3 into already 91 minus 16. Already now that is minus 69. This is minus 69. Now minus 18 into minus 26. This is minus 26. Already we know minus 26. 18 into 26. Now plus 5 into this is 40 minus 65. This is 25. That is equal to 3 7s are 210 and minus 3 207 minus 207 minus into minus plus 18 26 are 18 26 are 8 6 are 48 4 6 1 6 10 and 30 2 is 6 2 1 is 2 1 is 3 468 minus 125 okay. Now in this place 468 minus 207 minus 125. This is 12 1 3 332. This is 3 2. That is equal to 8 minus 2 6 4 minus 3 3 4 minus 8 minus 2 6 6 minus 3 3 4 minus 3 136. This is the value of delta 2. This is the value of delta 2 students. Now ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లో ఆల్రెడీ డెల్టా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము, డెల్టా 1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము. డెల్టా 1 is equal to 408 and delta 2 is equal to 136 వచ్చింది. Now next the delta 3, find the value of delta 3. Okay students, now I am erasing this one. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని దేంతో ఇక్కడ దీన్ని అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఆల్రెడీ డెల్టా 1 36